Yo, what's up everybody, back with another video. And today we're diving headfirst into the future of learning. We're talking about AI tools that are absolutely changing the game for students everywhere. Still wasting hours taking notes or struggling with boring textbooks? What if I told you AI can now summarize, teach, quiz, and even write your assignments, all in seconds? This isn't some futuristic fantasy. It's happening right now. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for a way to crush it this semester, you need to see this. We're breaking down 5 free AI tools that will blow your mind, and your teachers won't believe it. Let's get started. First up, we've got Notion AI. And let me tell you, this is way more than just a note-taking app. Think of it as your own personal study assistant living inside your laptop. We're talking about organizing your entire semester, from lecture notes to project deadlines, all in one clean, sleek interface. But here's where Notion AI goes from good to mind-blowing. Imagine you're cramming for that big history exam, and you've got pages of notes on the French Revolution. Just highlight that section, hit summarize, and boom, Notion AI boils it down to the key points, making those all-nighters a thing of the past. And it gets even better. Say you're struggling with a particular concept, like the causes of the French Revolution. Notion AI can actually explain it to you in simpler terms, almost like having a personal tutor right there in your notes. But wait, there's more. Notion AI can also help you brainstorm ideas for essays, create to-do lists, and even generate quizzes to test your knowledge. It's like having a superpowered study buddy available 24/7. Next up, we've got ChatGPT, and this one is a game changer, especially when it comes to exam prep. We're talking about an AI that can explain even the most complicated concepts in a way that actually makes sense. Imagine you're stuck on a particularly tricky physics problem about, let's say, quantum mechanics. You type it into ChatGPT, and within seconds, it breaks down the solution step by step, explaining the logic behind each equation. It's like having a personal tutor who actually knows how to explain things clearly. But ChatGPT's superpower is its ability to simplify complex information. Need to understand the history of the Cold War in a nutshell? ChatGPT can give you a concise, easy-to-understand summary that cuts through all the jargon. And it's not just about getting answers. ChatGPT can actually help you learn by engaging in conversations about the material. Ask it to compare and contrast different historical events or to analyze a piece of literature, and watch as it provides insightful and thought-provoking responses. It's like having a study partner who's always up for a good debate. Let's be real. Writing essays can be a real drag, but with Quillbot and Grammarly on your side, you'll be churning out A+ papers like it's nothing. Quillbot is your secret weapon for paraphrasing and rewriting sentences. It's like having a professional editor on call 24/7. Just paste in your text and Quillbot will suggest different ways to phrase it, making your writing clearer, more concise, and more engaging. And to make sure your grammar is on point, we've got Grammarly, the grammar checker that needs no introduction. It catches all those pesky typos, grammatical errors, and punctuation mistakes that can make your writing look sloppy. But Grammarly is more than just a spell checker. It also offers suggestions for improving your writing style, making sure your sentences flow smoothly and your tone is appropriate for your audience. Together, Quillbot and Grammarly are the ultimate writing duo, helping you craft essays that are not only grammatically correct, but also clear, concise, and engaging. Next up, we've got Khanmigo by Khan Academy. And this one is like having a personal tutor available to you anytime, anywhere. We're talking about an AI-powered learning companion that guides you through subjects, provides personalized feedback, and helps you master new skills. Imagine you're struggling with algebra. Khanmigo doesn't just give you the answers, it actually walks you through the problem-solving process step by step, offering hints and explanations along the way. It's like having a tutor who can anticipate your questions before you even ask them. But Khanmigo's real strength lies in its personalized learning experience. It tracks your progress, identifies your strengths and weaknesses, and tailors its lessons accordingly. So, if you're acing algebra but struggling with geometry, Khanmigo will focus on the areas where you need the most help. And it's not just about math. Khanmigo covers a wide range of subjects, from science and history to economics and computer programming. It's like having a whole team of expert tutors at your fingertips. Last but not least, we've got Firefly's AI, And this one is a lifesaver for anyone who's ever struggled to keep up with lectures. We're talking about an AI-powered note-taker that records, transcribes, and even summarizes your meetings and lectures, so you can focus on actually learning the material. Imagine you're in a fast-paced lecture, trying to jot down every word the professor says. With Firefly's AI, you can simply sit back, relax, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. It will record the entire lecture, transcribe it into text, and even highlight the key takeaways. But Firefly's AI is more than just a glorified voice recorder. It also allows you to easily search through your transcripts, create timestamps for important points, and even share your notes with classmates. It's like having a personal assistant who takes care of all your note-taking needs. And the best part? Firefly's AI integrates seamlessly with popular video conferencing platforms like Zoom and Google Meet, making it incredibly easy to use. So there you have it. 5 incredible AI tools that are changing the way students learn. From summarizing notes and explaining complex concepts to writing A+ essays and recording lectures, these tools are like having a team of super-powered study buddies available 24/7. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to share this video with your friends who could use a little AI boost in their studies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content like this. I'm always on the lookout for the latest and greatest tech, so stay tuned for more game-changing tools and gadgets. Peace out.